Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing good. So as you know, एक ही डिश डिफरेंट कल्चर में डिफरेंट तरीक़ों से बनाई जाती है. Obviously the way taste varies from person to person. Similarly, taste varies from culture to culture too. So do you ever get curious कि सिंधी दाल चावल कैसे बनाते हैं? If so, then come with me and learn how to make dal chawal in Sindhi style. So in this video we are going to make Masoor Dal, and for that case we are going to begin with the ingredients. So starting with the spices, salt, and you're going to need garam masala, lal mirch, haldi, and green chilies or dhania, and you're going to need this masoor dal जो कि है almost 8 pav, and this is ginger garlic paste, and additionally you're going to need dry coriander powder and crushed zira, and then you're going to need 1 chopped onion along with 3 tomatoes. ये आपने लिया है oil, that is 1 cup. So let's begin with the process. सबसे पहले आप लेंगे 1 cup of oil in this cooking pot, और उसके बाद आप ऐड करेंगे onions and add to this oil, and then we are going to mix it. So oil and onion के बाद हम ऐड करेंगे इसमें ginger garlic paste. So ginger garlic paste जो कि हमने crush down करके रखा है, that we are going to add now. And ऐड करने के बाद हम इसको दोबारा थोड़ी देर के लिए मिक्स करेंगे, and then we are going to wait till this ginger garlic paste and onion gets little brown like this. Now coming to the spices, पहले red chili powder, dry coriander powder, उसके अलावा नमक, हल्दी, and हल्दी के अलावा you are going to need this जीरा powder crushed down. और अब हम मिक्स करेंगे सारे मिक्सचर को, and then you are going to add this tomatoes that are 3 almost small sized. After giving it a little mix ताकि हमारे spices और टमाटर साथ गल जाएं, now we are going to add the main ingredient, that is masoor dal. और मसूर दाल को ऐड करने के बाद हम इन सारे प्रोसीजर को दोबारा मिक्स करेंगे. प्रोसीजर को नहीं, हम इस सारे मसाले को, दाल को दोबारा मिक्स करेंगे, and then we are going to wait for minimum 8 to 7 minutes. और उसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारी जो दाल है वो प्रॉपर गल गई है कि नहीं. Then we are going to mix it again. Now you're going to add 1/4 of water in this mixture and mix it together. If you think so कि आपको अभी और पेस्ट बनाना है, then you can add another 1/4 of water into it. I think it's enough water to make the paste perfect. Now we are going to wait till almost maximum 10 minutes. और 10 मिनट के बाद हम दोबारा चेक करेंगे, and we are going to see if our दाल is ready or not. इसको properly mix करने के बाद now you are going to add the last spice, that is garam masala and green coriander and green chilies. So our procedure have come to an end, and let me know guys if this is the way you make dal at your home too or not. So being a Sindhi, this is how we make dal at our home, and ज़रूर try करजो. Now our recipe is set to go. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and do remember us in your prayers, and do subscribe, like and share to this channel. Take care, bye bye.